The work that I make, it's really just approaching art from what I felt inspired by early on. I'm a city kid, I grew up in a city, and I think that that plays a huge role. I see advertising all the time, I see packaging, billboards, and I think I kind of have to be attentive to our visual environment. This work at the James Hotel is my first public commission. There are two pillars. They're essentially 12 feet by 5 feet tall. They're pretty massive and totemic. There's definitely a lot of rhythm, taking the same shape, repeating it rhythmically, but each shape it has its own character. We live in an age where our eyes are interfacing with images in a much different way now. There's an optical activity I'm looking to spark.